Hello guys, welcome to Smart Class. We are going to be studying about the important derivations in electrostatics, guys. Okay, so first of all, the heading is what is the electric field intensity due to electric dipole when point is comes on axial? Okay, what is the electric field intensity due to electric dipole when point is comes on where axial? Guys, just listen here. First of all, I'm going to be considering an electric dipole here. What is an electric dipole? Electric dipole always have equal and opposite charges. Both are separated by a distance. I just mentioned that distance as 2L. Up to the center, the distance is L. Again, the remaining is L. Okay, what is our question? We have to be find out the electric field intensity when the point is comes on axial. This is an electric dipole, so you have to be consider an point on the axis of that electric dipole. Okay, this is the axis, so let you please consider a point named P, which is at a distance of x from the center of the electric dipole. So here we have to be find out the electric field intensity at this point, guys. Okay, so for that, first I am going to be consider, let's imagine this point charge plus q as 1, and guys, please listen here. This named as 1 and this charge is named as 2. Okay, so guys, please listen here. This charge, that means plus q, will exert electric field intensity at this point. Which one? The plus q will exert electric field intensity at this point. So guys, as you know, electric field intensity is a vector quantity only. Please notice that one. Electric field intensity is a vector quantity. So in order to get the direction of electric field intensity, we have to be place a test charge at the point P, guys. That's very important. You must place test charge at the point P to find the direction of electric field intensity. Okay, so first of all, this charge plus q that exerting electric field intensity at this point, just look at here. This is plus q, this is plus 1, both the charges will repel. That's why this test charge will move in this direction due to the repulsive force by plus q. That's the direction of electric field intensity due to plus q. Since this number I have taken as 1, I named this electric field intensity as 1, guys. Okay, what's the formula of electric field intensity? Electric field intensity having the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, which is the charge here we have. Plus q is the charge that we having here. Take that plus q divided by, guys, from plus q to that point, what is the distance? So just listen here. From here to here, the distance is L. The remaining is X. If you have any sort of doubt, please look at here. Up to here, the distance is X. The remaining is L. So the distance will be, guys, X plus L the whole square. It is very important. Clear? Now we have another one charge that is located at the point called 2. That is minus q. Minus q also exerting another one electric field intensity at the point P. During that time, that electric field intensity due to minus q, I named that as E2, whose direction will be this one, guys. E2 will be in this direction. Why? Because minus q attracts plus 1 in this direction. Okay, why we are placing that plus 1 there? Plus 1 is used to find the direction of electric field intensity. Okay, since minus q that exerting the electric field intensity at here, the plus 1 will attract towards that minus q. That's the direction of E2, and direction of E2 is there, and the formula of E2 will be 1 by 4 pi what? Epsilon 0. What is the charge now we have? Here we have minus q is the charge. Very important thing. While we calculating electric field intensity, we don't take off that minus sign. So please consider charge only. And what is the distance here we have? Guys, please listen. Up to here, that means from minus q to p, what is the distance? From the point P to that center, the distance is L. And you just subtract that L from that X, guys. So you should get x minus L now, and that is the distance. So x minus L the whole square, guys. So look at here, one is the E1 is the electric field intensity that acting in that direction, and E2 is the another one electric field intensity that acting in this direction. E1 in that direction, E2 is in this direction. So net electric field intensity, guys, listen here please. Net electric field intensity E is equal to, guys, E1 minus E2. Why? E1 in that direction, E2 in this direction, both are in opposite direction, so we have to be subtract. So E1 minus E2, this is a vector addition, guys. With respect to the direction, we put that minus sign and place those values over there. And guys, please listen here. Instead of E1, you please place that value 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by x plus L the whole square. That is the value of E1, and please put that minus sign, and you just place the value of E2. E2 here we have 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by x minus L the whole square, q divided by x minus L the whole square. I think okay, guys. From here, this term, what is that? Q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Here also q by 4 pi epsilon 0. Please take it out as common. So E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q. So I have mentioned that Q over here. Remaining will be, guys, 1 by x plus L the whole square minus 1 by x minus L the whole square, guys. I think everyone understood. Okay, guys, listen here. And the next step is E is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon 0 will be there. And please cross multiply, and that will be, guys, listen here. What is that? X minus L the whole square. Put that minus sign. After that, x plus L the whole square, and divided by the multiplication will be the x plus L into x minus L the whole square for the. Okay, guys, listen here. Okay, here denominator having x plus L the whole square, x minus L the whole square. So x plus L into x minus L the whole square will be there. And please expand. Please expand. So the electric field intensity is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 still be there, and the remaining bracket, and x minus L the whole square will be, guys, x square minus 2xl plus L square, and there we have the minus sign. Please open a small bracket and expand x plus L the whole square. That will be x square plus 2xl plus L square, and close that bracket, and there is a big bracket, and the denominator will be, guys, a plus b into a minus b. Guys, a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. The whole square will be there, guys. So here we have a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Since it having that red colored bracket, and over that bracket we have a square, that square we have to be placed. Don't be get confused. It is a plus b into a minus b will be a square minus b square. Since we have the square, we have to put the square here. Okay, and what is the next step? Next, you have to be, please slowly remove the bracket. So guys, E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 will be there, and if you want, you have to be keep the bracket over there, and x square will be there, minus 2xl will be there, plus L square will be there. Remove the bracket by multiplying the minus sign, minus x square minus 2xl minus L square, guys, and divided by, guys, please keep x square minus L square the whole square. I think you people can simply cancel this plus L square and minus L square, plus x square and minus x square, guys, and what will be remaining? What will be remaining? Just listen here. E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 will be there. This minus 2xl and this minus 2xl will be written as minus 4xl divided by, guys, x square minus L square the whole square, guys. And only please listen. Dipole is nothing but equal and opposite charges separated by very short distance. That distance will be 2L. That is called electric dipole. Very short distance, guys. So half of that short distance will be L. Okay, half of that distance is L. That also be the very short distance, whose square will be negligible value. If you have any sort of doubt, let you please consider small letter L as 0.4. Okay, whose square? L square will be 0.16, that is smaller than 0.4. That's why we neglect the term called L square. Okay, we are neglecting the term called L square. Please write there, we neglecting the term called L square. So what is next means, guys, you please continue. E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 will be there, minus 4 XL will be there, divided by x square the whole square, that will be x raised to 4. We don't consider L square because it is a very much negligible value. Clear? And what is next? Please cancel these two and this will be x cube. And one more thing, please listen here. We have studied about that dipole moment. Dipole moment is nothing but Q into Q means either it is plus Q or it is minus Q. So minus Q into what is the length of the electric dipole? The length of the electric dipole is 2L. That is, this is called dipole moment. P is equal to minus Q into 2L. Otherwise, P is equal to plus Q into 2L. Now I am here going to be take P is equal to minus Q into 2L. Just listen here. Q here we have. Okay, Q here we have, and one minus is there, that is minus Q into, here 4 is there, 4 means 2 into 2 is called 4. So 1, 2 I am going to be take, and L also I am going to be take, guys. What are the things? Minus Q into 2L I am going to be take, and instead of minus Q into 2L I am going to be place the value of P, guys, and your final answer, capital letter E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 will be there, and there is no any one more 2. Why? Because we already taken 2 for that dipole moment, so remaining only 1, 2 will be there, 2 will be there, and P divided by x cube. Why? Because instead of P we have the value as minus Q into 2L. This is the dipole, this is the electric field intensity due to electric dipole when point is comes on axis of the electric dipole. Okay, guys, all you must take the note properly and study well, guys. Be with the smart class. Okay.